Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Chidinma Crochet. Today I'll be sharing with you one of the most selling design in 2026. Check it out, the short video and the slide. So go check my channel. I've already uploaded how to crochet this particular design. Watch it. Believe me, after watching it, you will crochet yours exactly the way you are seeing it here. So go watch my channel, go watch my video on my channel, watch it step by step. You can see all this design. You see how beautiful they are. So some have 4 belts, some have 3 belts, some have 7 belts, some have even 8 belts, depending on how the person want it, as in how the person tell me to design it. So I designed it based on what the customer told me to do. So you can see they are very, very beautiful. Some have two buckles, as in 2 belts on the ankle, and some have one. You can see them. So some even have flat soles, some have higher soles. So it depends on what the customer want. So you can see all these designs. They are very, very beautiful. So go watch it. You can see my video. You can see, just watch. You can see my video where I make about 5 or 4 pairs at a time. This is from one customer. So I have been selling this design since January this year till now. You can see they are the most, say one of the most, not just they are one of the most selling design in 2026. So go watch the design and crochet yours. If you are still watching to this point, that means you love this video. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe on my channel, because I will still be uploading tutorials on how to crochet different design, different unique tutorials on how to crochet sandals and other crochet products, not just sandals. So stay tuned by hitting the subscribe button below this video and the notification bell for you to be receiving all of my videos. So enjoy the rest of the video. See you on my next video. Bye.